Hi my dear children, good morning to all. So last class we were dealing with our chapter celebrations. We were saying about different celebrations. That is, celebrations can be divided into three religious festivals, then national festivals, then at last harvest festivals. And we dealt with Independence Day, is it? Then a Republic Day. And today we are moving with our next festival, Gandhi Jayanti. Next we are moving with Gandhi Jayanti. As we all know, we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October, the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, our father of nation. We all know that we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. It's the birthday of our father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Next we are moving with the religious festivals. So first we were dealing with our national festival. National festivals are Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. We dealt with three festivals. So again we are moving with religious festivals, and in your textbook the first one is Diwali, otherwise Deepavali. Diwali, otherwise Deepavali. It is the festivals of light. It is the festival of light. And during Deepavali, the family members join together and they will distribute and eat sweets. When we go to the bakery and all, we will get a box, Deepavali sweets, otherwise Diwali sweets. Yes or no? Did you eat Deepavali sweets? Yes, most of the students eat Deepavali sweets. So this Deepavali is the festival of lights. Is it clear for you? Next religious festival is Holi. Holi. That is the festival of colors. Holi means the festival of colors. Most of the film, that is Mohanlal and Geeta, one film was there. In that film also we can see this anchor, that is this actor and actress celebrating Deepavali. Sorry, Holi. That is, Holi means it is the festival of colors. And during that day, what they will do, all the people stand together and they spread different colors to the face, to the body, to the dress. Likewise, they will be full of, all the people will be full of colors. So Holi, Holi means the festival of colors. The next one is Dussehra, D-U-S-H-E-E-R-A, Dussehra. What is this one? It is known as, otherwise we can call it as Vijayadashmi. This Dussehra is otherwise known as Vijayadashmi. And during that Dussehra, what is the significance? That is, it is the victory of God over evil. Evil means like devil, that is extra spirits and all. They are not doing in the proper way. So they won that evil, that celebration, the victory of God. This is known as Dussehra, otherwise Vijayadashmi. And another religious festival, can you give every year during December we will celebrate that religious festival for the Christian. Yes, Christmas. Christmas is also a religious festival. The birthday of Jesus Christ. The birthday of Jesus Christ. When we are celebrating this Christmas, December 25th. December 25th is the Christmas day, the birthday of Jesus Christ. Then the next one is Ganesha Chaturthi. Next one is Ganesha Chaturthi. What is this Ganesha Chaturthi? It is the birthday of Ganesha. It is the birthday of Ganesha. Ganesha means the god of wisdom. god of wisdom. And where this Ganesha Chaturthi is celebrated? It is celebrated in the western and the southern part of India. It is celebrated in the western and southern part of India. That is Ganesha Chaturthi. All the students take your textbook, keep your text with you. So we were dealing with a religious festival and we were saying about Christmas and Ganesha and Chaturthi. Next we are going to deal with Guru Purb. Guru, G-U-R-U-P-U-R-A-B-S. Can you see? It is also an important festival of Sikh. It is also an important festival of Sikh and it is celebrated in different years of the year. It is celebrated in different times of the year. And prayers are offered. They will be praying in Gurudwara. They will be praying in Gurudwara. So my dear students, before winding the today's class, we were dealing with our second chapter, celebrations, and we dealt with the Gandhi Jayanti. After that we moved with the religious festivals. We said about different festivals. So my dear children, all of you should go through the chapter. You have to read the chapter nicely. So God bless you. Thank you. Have a nice day.